Sodium silicate, commonly known as water glass or liquid glass, is a highly versatile inorganic compound composed of sodium oxide, NaO, and silicon dioxide, SiO. It exists in both solid and aqueous forms, and is widely utilized across a diverse array of industries due to its unique combination of adhesive, binding, corrosion-inhibiting, and fire-resistant properties. As a highly alkaline, water-soluble substance, sodium silicate serves as a fundamental ingredient in the manufacture of cements, ceramics, detergents, paper, and refractories. In construction, it is valued as a concrete densifier, hardener, and sealant, enhancing durability and water resistance. In the textile and pulp and paper industries, it functions as a buffer and bleaching aid, stabilizing hydrogen peroxide and improving processing efficiency. It is also used in foundries as a sand binder in the creation of molds, ensuring dimensional stability and high temperature resistance. Due to its high pH and deflocculating properties, sodium silicate is also essential in water treatment processes, where it assists in the removal of heavy metals and prevents scale formation in boilers and cooling towers. Beyond its conventional applications, sodium silicate continues to gain relevance in advanced technologies and environmental engineering. It plays a critical role in soil stabilization and ground consolidation for construction and mining projects, often injected into the earth to solidify soft or loose substrates. In the detergent industry, it contributes to corrosion control and acts as a builder to enhance cleaning power. It also serves as an essential precursor in the production of silica gel and precipitated silica, materials crucial in desiccation, chromatography, and tire manufacturing. Sodium silicate's fireproofing abilities make it indispensable in the formulation of passive fire protection materials, including fire-resistant coatings and insulation products. Moreover, its environmentally friendly nature and relatively low toxicity have increased its appeal in green chemistry initiatives, such as eco-friendly cleaning agents and wastewater treatment systems. Its adaptability to various forms, powder, liquid, and gel, along with its affordability and availability, cements its position as a cornerstone chemical that underpins modern industry and innovation.